Hey guys, today we're going to be going around the 76 K5 Blazer we just finished going through. This is a new arrival here at Lafontaine Classics. We're going to get you real familiar with the fit, the finish, the condition of this truck, tell you a little bit about it, go for a drive, and let you know where you can find out more. Kicking things off up front, have a few things to tell you about. Chrome finish is excellent, looks great. The paint, I know this was just done in 2021. There's no stone chips to tell you about on the leading edge of this hood. Gaps look great. Our grille, how does it look so good? This gentleman searched far and wide to find an NOS or a new old stock. GM part was still in the box and it was a ton of money and we got it. We're glad it's on here, it fits great. The headlight buckets, if you want to buy these as repops, they come as pieces of plastic. He had the originals sent out and re-chromed. There's a path of least resistance and less money, and then there's a harder, longer, and a lot more expensive way to do it, and that it was the theme on this truck. It's all the high dollar stuff. It was done really well. We'll keep coming around the side of the gorgeous set of alloy wheels. Wonderful polish on them. We got locking hubs. Body moldings look great. Badging looks good. We have a brand new windshield in here, which looks nice too. Seals are new as well. Brand new stainless mirrors. These were new old stock also. We've got a really slick top on this truck. It's fully removable. You can roll the sides down, snap some buttons, zip it up. I'll show you pictures of what that looks like with it down. And here's a look at it with it all the way off. It's quite handsome and easy to play with. Out back here, nice fitting tailgate. We do have LEDs and halogen bulbs in all of our lights, even the side markers, and we have new covers everywhere. All of the trim is new. This has been replated. We'll get this popped open. Nicely finished tailgate, clean, crisp edges. Out back, got quite a bit of room for storage. You can fold this seat down, and you can even remove it too quite easily if you'd like. Rear cards look lovely. This carpet kit is brand new. You see we got a couple of additional speakers adding to our modern sound system this thing's equipped with. The whole interior has sound deadening, even in these inner walls, on the floor pan, the doors up front, everything has the Dynamat sound deadening in it, helping quiet down the ride, and also helping with the acoustics. Cool. 2-inch receiver downstairs. Dual exhaust truck too, if you haven't picked up on that. Locking gas cap, which is a cool option from the era. This does have an upgraded fuel system. It's a Phantom fuel tank with their sending unit. Everything to go well with their fuel injection kit, which we will show you in just a moment when we pop that hood up. Really well detailed under here. I like the Edelbrock updates. I see we've got a dual master with power brakes. This is equipped with Wilwood disc brakes. We've got a vintage AC kit. We've got a power steering pump below that. And you see this 350 motor in here has got some fuel rails. It's port injected, which is pretty cool. One thing also to note while we're talking drivetrain, this is a brand new motor. The transmission, it's a 700R4 overdrive transmission. That's also new. Just a couple hundred miles on it. The transfer case, that is also new as well. One thing you don't always see either, the paint finish actually matches the quality of the exterior. It's all cut and buffed as well. Looks really nice. Seals up good. Let's check out the inside. Really smooth action on our doors. These door cards look brand new because they are. Lovely set of buckets in here. Gorgeous looking upholstery. I know these were just recovered. They're nice console in here as well, with a couple of cup holders and a good bit of storage inside. Or we got a nice billet wheel wrapped in some wood grain. Looks nice. It's a factory tilt column, and then in place of the factory gauges is a really cool getup from Dakota Digital. Very sweet. Have our AC controls over here, our upgraded JVC head unit, which has got AM, FM, Bluetooth, all the fun stuff. Transfer case controls down on the floor. Added a couple extra 12-volt sockets if you want to plug in your Garmin, charge your phones. Dash pad looks great. Not much to talk about in the glove box. Just factory stock unit. Down here, a little bit of storage. You see they've utilized some of the space in here to add some more speakers. I'll show you how that plays in a moment. Out back, same matching covers, seat belts for everybody. A nice body colored roll bar in here. Seems in good shape. nice note to it. I think that's 3-inch exhaust, at least from the axle back exiting, just after the rear tires. Sounds really good. There's a nice little cam in this small block Chevy here. I'm digging that too. That fuel injection, this thing started up really easy every time I've been around it. Hit the gas to go and drive the thing, and it does what it's supposed to do really well and without hesitation. We like that. All of the instruments in front of me are working like they're supposed to. I mean, they even got the turn signal wired into the dash, as if making it pop up here wasn't enough. Great alignment, truck's rolling over the bumps really nicely. The truck really rolls really nicely down the road too. These power brakes stop nice and even. I don't feel any pulsing in the pedal, like we've got warped rotors or anything. And it's grabbing evenly. The steering wheel didn't get yanked any which way. Speed limit gets up to 50 or 55 up here. We'll stretch the legs for you a little bit more in just a moment until we get a little more room on the road. What I've got for you is that this is very comfortable seating position, very comfortable seat. Not only did they install new covers, all the foam is new as well. Question. Does it blow cold? Why, yes it does. This little thing is the bomb.com. It's smooth, it works good, air blew cold, it tracks straight down the road. We got up to 60 plus miles an hour. Very happy truck. If you want to know more about it, call us up, drop us an email. That information will be down below. It's 248-714-2110, and the email is inquiry@LaFontaineClassicCars.com. Also, down in the description of this video, you can click on a link to the full listing on our website. That's where you can find the full write-up on this Arizona truck, find out where it's been, what has been done, get pictures high and low, up underneath it, everything, the whole nine. Thank you guys once more. We'll see you in the next clip. Stick around because we have a lot of cool cars coming in, especially this time of year.